Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to insert text as multi-line or single-line text and also how to insert annotative text. So let's start. To insert text, you can go to the icon located here, and now if I click in the arrow below, I can see two options, multi-line or single-line text. So, as the option by default is multi-line text, if I click now in the icon, it will activate this option. To insert multi-line text, I click first anywhere, and then if I move the mouse, I can see a box appearing here. This means that the text I will insert is displayed between these two vertical lines. And the horizontal line below, it doesn't matter where I put, because if I write a lot, the text will continue beyond that line. Now I click and I can start writing text. As you can see, it is not exceeding this horizontal length. Now, if I want to edit the text, I double click here and you can see this new panel that appeared on the top. There are several options. Here I can change the text size. For example, I click on there and change it to 100. Then I click anywhere in the workspace, but the text didn't change. This is because after doing double click on the text, I have to select it first. Now, if I change it to 100 again, you can see the result. But now I want to tell you another thing. The text surpassed a little bit the length I specified before. It's because the word example doesn't fit, so it keeps like that to avoid splitting words. Single line text. To draw a single line text, just click in the arrow and select that option. Then you click where you want to write your text. Then you click again for specifying the text size. The size of this line will match the size of the text, or you can simply write a specific size, for example 20. Then you need to specify the rotation angle by using this line. If you want the text straight, click when the line is horizontal. Now you are able to write your text. When you finish, click anywhere in the workspace and press Escape. To edit the text, you can click on it, then with the right button click here, and finally go to Properties. And you can change anything that you want here. I'm going to click in Height and change it to 30, for example. You can see that the text increased. If you click on the rotation value, you can also change it. For example, I want to put an angle of 40 degrees. Okay, now I am going to teach you how to write annotative text. In annotative text, the text height that we choose is exactly what will appear in the paper. For example, if we specified as 5, our text will have 5 millimeters. So, to start writing annotative text, I will click in this tab and then click in the first tab here, which corresponds to text, and change it to annotative. Now, listen to this. If we go to the layout again, I double click in this viewport where I have the floor plan, and if you look to the scale down there, you can see that it's specified as 1/50. This means that if I want to write annotative text here, it needs to be in that scale. Okay, I'm back in the model space, and now I'm going to change the scale to 150. Then I can activate the common text by clicking in this icon, and I'm going to write the label for this room. I click here. Then for the text height, you can see here in the command bar that says specify paper height. I type 5 to be 5 millimeters. Then the rotation angle will be horizontal, and I can write, in this case, living room. I click in another part and press escape. Now, if we click in the text again and click with the right button in the blue square, we can go to properties, and there you can see the paper text height as 5, and in the model was automatically converted to 250 because of the scale here. Now, if I want to write text for this viewport down here, I will double click on it, and I can see that the scale for this one is 1/20. I go back to the model space. I'm going to find the door in that viewport, which is this one. I do the same process as before, but now I have to change the scale to 1/20. I activate text again. I click here. As the paper text height is the same, I can press enter. Then I draw a horizontal line, and now I can write the text. If I go to the paper space, I can see it there, and both of them will have the height of 5 millimeters in my paper when I print. In conclusion, annotative text is very useful, especially when I have viewports with different scales, as with this method I'm sure the text will be all with the same size. So, it was everything in this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Cat in Black to see the rest of the videos of AutoCAD. Also, if you need extra help, I can provide online private lessons for beginners. You can check more details in my channel page at the section About. Thank you very much, and till next time!